the waist chains and other ornaments to complement, to enhance the Pattu sari that we wear, and we generally don't like it being very heavy as well. So we have incorporated this in the sari design itself. So this is a pure handloom silk sari which we call the Kanchipuram silk here, and this is entirely in pure zari. Rake on the lower half, and you have the rising border pattern on the upper half. So there is a whole line available, and we also have this year the multicolors is the trend. So we also have some multicolor corporate pattern which we would be displaying in a short while. So this is one of the corporate pattern line that we have introduced this year. This is the Palam hues. As I said, the multicolor pattern is very popular. So this year you have this Palam hues in a wide range of designs and collections. So here even the motifs is in different shades, and the entire sari is woven in bright shades. There's mustard, there is blue, green, pink. So it's a multicolored sari, and we have a wide range in this too. As I said, this year this is available both in Kanchipuram Pattu as well as the soft silk range. So this is the swirl collection, and the highlight here is the border, and this year the trend is the waves pattern, and that is what you see in multicolors along the border. So the Angarika Pattu for you, and the highlight here is the zari woven yoke pattern along the neck.
So ladies and gentlemen, here we have the 2014 Deepavali collections, ornamental silk, corporate pattu, Palam hues. We have the entire 2014 Deepavali collection out here. All the 5 ranges, ornamental silk, corporate pattu, Palam hues, swirl collection, and the beautiful Angarika silk.
Very happy to introduce the Diwali collections of Palam silks this year, and we have 5 new concepts introduced in Kanchipuram Pattu, which is the pure handloom silk woven in pure zari. So we have 5 concepts here, and the gorgeous models here adorning the saris. We have the ornamental silk, which comes with a designed waistband, which is specially designed in pure zari. So you need not wear the heavy ornaments that you need to otherwise to enhance the beauty of the sari, because this comes with the sari design itself with the zari pattern and waistband. And then we have the whole line of corporate pattu. Our corporate pattu collections have been very well received every year, and this year we have 3 new patterns in corporate silk, and what you see here is the half and half rising pattern, and we have the very special Angarika pattern, and we have the beautiful Sakshi adorning the sari for us. And the speciality of this sari is the special zari woven yoke pattern, which enhances the beauty of the sari. Generally we have saris with borders, but this is a special design which highlights the yoke pattern in the sari.
Very pleased to address this meeting. Well, the sari that I'm wearing is from this beautiful collection of Palam silks. It's the latest collection. It's called the Angarika collection. And as you see it, just like how in the olden days we used to have the yoke concept for a salwar suit, now we have it along with the sari. So as you see, there is this beautiful peacock print on this yoke portion. So that has been highlighted, and there is this beautiful jerry print done all over the body. You can capture the anyway. So I love the collection. I did the launch last time also for the neon collection, and this time again I'm very pleased to be a part of this.
Palam, we are into the 11th year this year, and all these 11 years we have been striving to make pattu, to promote silk so that more youngsters wear silk, because that is very important, because if the tradition of wearing silk has to be passed on to the next gen, it has to be young and contemporary. So that is what we have been trying to do, and this year we are trying to promote silk by bringing it at very, very affordable rates. So I can promise you that the rates here are the best in India. Earlier, people used to think that we need to travel all the way to Kanchipuram to get the latest at the loom rates. Now we have introduced all our pattu sarees, right from lightweight silks, soft silks and Kanchipuram silks at very, very special loom rates. And this is to promote silk, to help people wear more silk.